For the best price, click the link in the description. Are you tired of using your phone while driving and risking a hefty fine or worse? But here's what surprised me about the Qifutan Car Phone Mount. It's not just another cheap knockoff that's more hassle than help. Therefore, I dug deeper to uncover its true capabilities, and let me tell you, this thing is a game changer. Its sleek design fits perfectly on my dashboard, cradling my phone with precision /N. But what really caught my attention was the adjustable arm, which allows for seamless swiveling to ensure optimal viewing angles. Therefore, I found myself enjoying hands-free navigation more than ever before. But don't just take my word for it, let's dive into its features and see if they hold up to scrutiny. The Qifutan Car Phone Mount boasts an ultra-sturdy construction that can support phones up to 7 inches in size /N. But here's what I discovered. The installation process is remarkably straightforward, even for a tech phobe like myself. Therefore, you won't have to worry about sacrificing precious driving time to get it set up. Let's break down some of its key features. Ultra-sturdy construction. Adjustable arm for optimal viewing angles. Supports phones up to 7 inches in size. Easy installation process. But what about the material quality? But here's a twist. The Qifutan Car Phone Mount is made from high-quality TPU, which not only provides durability but also offers excellent UV resistance /N. Therefore, you can enjoy worry-free driving, even on sunny days. Now that we've covered some of its impressive features, it's time to talk about performance. Therefore, I tested the Qifutan Car Phone Mount in various driving scenarios, and here are my findings. Smooth navigation through tight city streets. Easy access to music controls while cruising on highways. No visible lag or delay when adjusting viewing angles. But how does it hold up against other similar products on the market? But here's what I discovered. The Qifutan Car Phone Mount has earned a remarkable 4.5-star rating from over 2,500 satisfied customers /N. Therefore, you can rest assured that this product is well-loved and trusted by many. Now let's talk about value for money. Therefore, I compared prices across various online retailers and found that the Qifutan Car Phone Mount offers an unbeatable price-to-performance ratio. But what if you're still unsure? But here's a promise. The Qifutan Car Phone Mount comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee /N. Therefore, you can try it risk-free and see for yourself how much of a difference it makes in your driving experience. In conclusion, I wholeheartedly recommend the Qifutan Car Phone Mount to anyone looking for a reliable and high-performance car phone mount. But before you buy, make sure to check out its current price on Amazon using the link in the description below. For the best price, click the link in the description.